Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 apps that pay you to browse the internet. You just need to install them on your phone, your computer, or laptop or iPad, whatever you are using, and they will pay you to browse. As you are browsing the internet, these apps will be making money for you passively. You don't have to put in anything. You don't have to do any work. The only work you're going to do is just to sign up for these apps. And as always, I'm going to leave the links in the description below about these apps. But if you are new to this channel, my name is Gloria and I would like to welcome you. On this channel, I talk about different ways on how to make money online, ways that I have tried and they have worked for me. So let's get into the video. Going to talk about this is their website and this is called Slice. Yes, Slice is a platform that is going to pay you for browsing the internet. As you see, as it's stated here, you browse, we pay. Yes, you browse, they pay you. As maybe you're watching your YouTube videos, this website will be paying you for that. Maybe you are searching things online, this website is going to pay you for that. You don't have to put in any work or any effort. As I said, it's like a passive way of making income. The only thing you're going to do is just to sign up and you leave the app working behind as long as you install their plugin onto your browser so that anytime ads pop up they will pay you for that. And this app, they have also included other ways to earn. As you can see here, you browse, we pay. Yes, add to Chrome, it's free. You just add this Slice on your Chrome. As you can see here, I've already added it on my Chrome. Then they will be paying me, they'll be paying you for browsing, yes, the internet. And those ads that will pop up when you're watching YouTube, they'll be paying you for those ads. You don't have to watch adverts and you don't get paid. That's And there are so many other ways they are going to pay you from this platform, as I'm going to show you inside. So this is how it works. Slice offers the most if effortless path to personal monetization in the history of internet, as you can see on the website. So this is how the website, how it looks like. You can earn up to this amount, $5 and even more. So it depends on the effort you are trying to put in. Yes, you can earn up to that. And these are the reviews that people have wrote about this app or this website. They are really good and I want to show you inside. Yes, they also have other things you can do, like surveys, so many things. Yes, so this is how the website looks like inside. Signing up is not difficult. As I told you, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Yes, so this is their dashboard, and as you can see, today as I'm recording this video, this is so far how much I've watched, and these are the ads I've watched in these 30 days. Another way you can earn from to increase your income is by doing surveys. Yes, you can do surveys, you can watch videos and get paid. And another thing about this Slice, they have very many payment options that you can try. Yes, if you're in a country where they don't allow PayPal, you can earn your money via Bitcoin, or you can earn your money via gift cards. And they have a variety of gift cards if you want Amazon. So many. It depends on your location. So you don't have to be like, I don't have PayPal. You can earn your money through cryptocurrency, that's Bitcoin, and so many other ways to earn from this platform. So the first platform that I wanted to share with you is this platform called Slice. And as always, I'm going to leave a link in the description below. Then the second app that I'm going to talk about is, I've already talked about this app on this YouTube channel, and I've even done a dedicated video about it. It's called the Ponds app. Yes, this app, they are improving daily. You can install it on your computer or in your phone. It depends on you. What do you really want? So this is how it looks like. This is their homepage, and they have included so many things in their app these days that they before they didn't have paid surveys, but now you can do paid surveys, get paid. You can also share your internet. That's a passive way to earn. You don't do anything, just install the app on the phone, and as you are browsing the internet, they will pay you for that. But if you want to multiply your income, you can use paid surveys. Also, they have other things that they have included, like you can watch their blog, they will give you points or money And they have added other things like you can this is how it looks like when you are sharing the internet. As I said, I've already done a dedicated video about this, yes, on my YouTube channel. You can go there and watch it. Then you can also spin a wheel and earn money. So this is how the website looks like. If you want to join, you just go on the sign up process. I will leave the link in the description below. All you need is an email address, a password, and you are good to go. Yes, you are good to go. You will start earning. So this is how the platform looks like. Another way you can earn from this platform is by sharing your link. As I'm sharing the link for you, you can refer other people and they will start earning. So it depends. Like they've added so many opportunities to earn from. As you can see, you can also either earn your money through PayPal, Bitcoin, Amazon gift cards, Google Play gift cards, so many other gift cards that you can earn from. It depends from you. And when you reach $5, you can cash out. Before, it was difficult to reach that $5 because of only the option they were giving about sharing the internet. But now they have included other things like the paid service, so it's easy to reach up to that amount of money. Yes. So if you want to join this Spons app, I'm also leaving a link in the description below. Then the third app I'm going to talk about is called Honey Gain. Yes. I've also done a dedicated video about this honey gain. And as guys, when you use my link, when you use my link to join the Pons app, you get $3. Even when you use my link for Slice, you also start with some money they will give you. And as you see here, when you are a new user and you are starting on honey gain, you are going to get a $2 bonus when you use my link in the description below. Yes, so here also they tell you passive income effortlessly. Just install the app on your phone or on your computer, laptop, tablet. It depends the one what you are using. Yes, so you just download it, and there are many ways now. They have also included on this app that you can earn money. Yes, as I said, I did a dedicated video about it, but there is a jackpot that you can open daily. You get money for that. Yes, you can open a lucky pot. If you are so lucky, you can win up to this amount of points or these ones. And they have also added another thing called achievements. Yes, like they will set a goal maybe for the 7 days. If you reach that achievement, they will reward you like this 50 points. Yes, and you can also earn by referrals. So guys, please use the link in my description below. I'll be earning, you'll also be earning. And signing up is not that difficult. All you need is an email address and as a password. Yes, and the link that I'm going to leave in the description below. Yes, so you can start earning right away, and you get paid via cash or cryptocurrency. Yes, on this honey gain, they have a cryptocurrency that they call jump task. So you can either earn your money via jump task if you want cryptocurrency, or cash via PayPal. So on this app, you are not supposed to do anything much. Just install it and it will be running at the back of your phone, laptop when you are doing something. Yes. Yes, and those are the apps I had for you. And if this video made sense for you, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Yes, and to give this video a thumbs up. And please share it with others. And if you've used these apps that I've talked about in this video, don't forget to comment it in the comment section below so that we can encourage others, so that we can grow together. Thank you. See you next time. See you in the next video.